In this video, I'll show you how to fix the error in message stream problem you might see when using Chatgpt. This error usually pops up when there's a hiccup between your device and the Chatgpt server. Here's how to fix it. First, try the simplest solution. Refresh the page. A quick reload can often fix temporary glitches. If that doesn't work, go to your browser settings, clear your cache and cookies, then restart the browser. This helps reset any stuck session data. Next, disable any browser extensions, especially ad blockers or privacy tools. These can interfere with ChatGPT's connection. You can also try opening ChatGPT in incognito mode to see if it works there. Still not working? Try switching to a different device or network. Sometimes local network settings can block ChatGPT's servers. Also check if ChatGPT itself is down. Just visit status.openai.com to see if there are any reported issues. And if nothing works, the best option is to wait a few minutes and try again. It's often just a temporary issue on the server side. That's it. These steps should help you fix the ChatGPT error in message stream quickly and easily. Thanks for watching.